Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a simple way on how to ventilate a neat closure for a braided wig, which is also for a Ghana weaving. So if this sounds like what you want to learn, then stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, this is my usual way of doing my ventilation. I'm always doing the ventilation from a corner. Now in the center line that I've given, I just gave a single line, just a single line that's close to nothing, if you can see it. And if you like, you can just ventilate without giving any center line, but this is the center line that I gave in this my own. And I make sure that the line doesn't reach at the extreme. So I'm ventilating now. I'm ventilating so that I'm going to approach the center line that I gave. So this is also another way of doing a normal closure, which is also not for a braided wig. You can also do this method if you want to do a normal closure for a weave-on, and as usual, which is keeping one line, ventilating, and keeping one hole next to it. And that's what I'm going to be doing all through this line. This is the first line. This is how it looks like. In this ventilation, I'm doing a single knotting ventilation. If you have been following my videos, then you should be familiar with this method, and that's what I'm going to be doing. This helps the braided wig to look more neat. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Keep watching. I'm done, and this is how it looks like. The next thing is to do Ghana weaving. I'm done, guys, and this is how it looks like. Tell me what you think about this method, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this amazing family. See you in my next video. Bye.